Hi, this is Deanna here at ABC Nissan. I'm going to show you our beautiful 2012 Nissan Quest. Okay, it's a V6 3.5 liter V6 engine. Running nice and smooth. It's a beautiful color. It's called Twilight Gray. Here's the passenger seat. Of course, we've got our power locks and windows. You can see this very nice here. Wonderful color. Very clean. Of course, it's only got 26,000 miles in it. This is the back cargo area. You can see how spaceful it is. This is going to be the back seat, or the middle seat I should say, and the back seat. Great shape. This is the front seat here. Of course, the most important seat here, the driver's. Got it all running for you. You've got all your FAM stereo. Very well taken care of. Beautiful 2012 Nissan Quest. It's waiting for you to take it for a drive.